Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. Today, I'm going to show you how to basically transfer your save file for Dead Island 2 that's on your PC. So if you have Xbox Game Pass and you're using the Xbox Game Pass PC app and you downloaded Dead Island 2 on Game Pass on your PC and you want to transfer the file over to Epic Games or Steam. As you know, Epic Games just released Dead Island 2 on the Epic Game Store, so now that's free. I don't like playing Dead Island 2 on Game Pass. There is no cross save. You already know this. On the Xbox, I'm all the way towards where the train is basically at. So I'm just kind of upset that I can't get cross play, and I don't know why they won't do cross save and whatever like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you right now how you would do it for your Xbox. So if you have this right here, let's go into my Game Pass real quick. So I'm gonna go into my Xbox app real quick. Let's say you downloaded Dead Island, right? Let's find that real quick. Let's go to library and let's see. Actually, this is not even supposed to be in here. Let's go to Game Pass. Where's Dead Island? Dead Island, where is you are? I said, where is you are? I'm talking backwards, guys. No, let's just type it in. Dead Island. Okay, here it is right here by Deep Silver right here. Let's say you install this right here, you install the game and you don't know where to look to get the save files and you don't know what to do. I'm gonna basically show you right now what you do. So here it is right here. I'm just gonna close out this app. What you want to do is come right here. Most likely you saved it to your C drive. Everything's gonna be saved to your C drive. If you save it to your F, D, E, whatever the files you may have it at. The first thing you want to do is go to PC. You want to go to local. I got to clean up some stuff on here because I got a lot of files that's on here. You want to go to this. You want to go towards user. It's not going to be in here. Just to let you know, here's all my Call of Duty stuff right there. It's not going to be in any other things right here. It's not going to be in the save app, anything like that. You want to go to user. Go to your name. You want to go to app data. You want to go to local. Then what you want to do is depending on, it's all depending. You might see this folder right here that says Dead Island right here, but the Game Pass one should say this word right here, Deep Silver. So most likely, if you don't see it in this one, you're gonna have to go towards where it says packets. So let's go to packets real quick. Packages, really. Where is it? Packages. Here it is, right here. And most likely, you're going to find this folder right here. It's going to say Deep Silver. It's going to have a bunch of numbers on it right there. The reason why you don't see it is because I uninstalled it off my PC. I uninstalled it off of Game Pass, so it's no longer here. I actually pulled the folder off right here, so I can actually show it. So let's just exit that out right here. So this is the folder right here you actually get. So once you go into that folder, let's just show you right here. Here's basically what it looks like right there. You want to go to System App Data. You want to go to WGS. You want to go to this folder right here. And you want to go back into this one. Not go back into it, but you want to go into that one. So you want to go into the second one right here, which is going to be this right here. You can see the last time I did it. Just going to move it over a little bit just so you can see some of the extra stuff. So this is the file you want to get. So what you want to do is keep this folder open so you can know which file is actually the correct one. So you don't want to, basically you won't know if it's going to be this one or this one. What you want to do is just take this and drag it over to your side if you have two monitors, or just keep this one lowered down, minimize it, go into Dead Island 2, play the game for like a few seconds, just run around until you actually see that it says save. Once it says save, just do this, just back up, then just hit refreshing, then go back, then back like that. Then look and see if it updates it. If you see it updates to the date and time that you actually saved the game, as you can see right here, it says 5/15/2025 at 3:27 p.m. That's when I actually did it. So that's basically all you got to do. So now, once you install this onto your main PC, which is Epic Games, I created a folder where I got the game saved at. So let's go right here. I created a folder called Epic Games. As you can see right here, Dead Island. And here you go. Everything is right here. So this is where everything is at. This is not where your saves is at right now, right? That's where I just saved everything at. What you want to do is you want to do this. You want to go back to C. You want to go back to user. You want to go back to your whatever your name is. Mine's is Daddy Easy, but it's actually Daddy. You want to go to App Data, Local, and right here you want to see where it says Dead Island. I'm gonna go right here. You're gonna see what says saves. You want to go to what says save games. As you can see right here, when you do EpicGames, it's gonna actually change the config file to this right here. So I want to go in here real quick. System app, 3G, right here, right here. So here's the file right here. So basically what you want to do is transfer the files over. So I'm going to play the game. I'm just going to turn it on and let you see that I'm at the beginning of the game, and I have to rename this. So let's just go into the game really quick. It might do something with the shaders real quick. So this may pop up. What you want to do is don't do download from machine. Do your upload to cloud, because basically that's going to do this. So I just changed the files around. So I'm going to upload the cloud real quick. So I'm going to wait for the syncing to go on, cloud syncing, and I'm going to wait for the game to load. I'm just going to minimize this real quick. Let's minimize this real fast. So it may do some things a little bit more with the shaders. Sorry about that. Okay, see the shaders is going on. The reason why is because I already installed the shaders in there, and I actually took away the save data, so it's going to redo everything. So as you can see right here, it says new game. This is basically a new save right there. I'm just going to skip it. I'm just going to pick a character real quick. I'm just going to pick her. Let's see. Let's just skip it really quick. There we go. FPS, everything is not set up because this is basically how it is. So I'm just going to go hit back, hit that. I'm going to quit the game, hit quit. Okay. So what I'm going to do is this save file right here, I'm not going to use this file no more. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete it. You guys make a backup just in case, but you want to change this one right here where it says Dead Island 2 save game.save. Don't download, do not change the one that says BAK. You want to just do this one. So what you want to do is take this, systems, this one, it's right here. Here's my save right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. I'm going to drag this to the desktop, copy, paste. There we go right here. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to copy everything that says save. So I'm going to hit that, hit copy. Now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to drag it over here. So what I want to do is, let's just copy this one real quick. Kind of went backwards on it. Drop that in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. As you can see, there's the file right there. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need this file anymore. It's going to be safe in my recycling bin. I'm just going to take this out and I'm going to drag it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this. Copy all this. Copy. Do that again. Paste. Click that right there. We're good to go. I'm going to close this out real quick. We're going to load up Dead Island one more time. I'm going to upload to cloud. Let it do its thing. Let me turn on my audio a little bit from the game desktop. Wait for it to do its syncing and stuff like that. It's going to go back into the shaders again. As you can see, I'm going to change the settings one more time to show you that it actually works, because like I said, I've already did this and I was already at a different part. So as you can see, I'm going to hit continue, hit play, and you're going to see I'm at a different location. So this is basically the save file from my GamePass PC GamePass. So as you can see right here, you can see exactly where I'm at, and this is what I basically did. The only thing I do is just change the name like that, and that's basically it. So I'm not going to use this save. I'm going to use my other save because I already did some extra stuff on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back out, click this, quit. I'm going to delete this. Okay. Only reason why I'm deleting it is because I'm going to take this. I'm going to drag that over there because I don't need it. As you can see, I got a folder right here that says use this backup. And I'm just going to drop this back inside right there. That's basically it. And I can throw this in a recycling bin. Do this one more time. Upload the cloud. Okay. The reason why I'm uploading it to the cloud is so it's getting transferred to all my stuff. So now when I redo it, everything's going to get transferred over towards my ROG Ally X and anything else that I'm using on PC. So it's going to do what's basically what's going to happen is it's going to redo the shaders one more time, I believe. Yeah, there we go. It's going to be in the same location, but I already did some extra missions. So that's why it's going to be a little bit different while I'm throwing this save inside of it real fast. Okay, as you can see, it's the same location, but I did extra missions on here. So I ran back on here and redid some of the things that I already did already. So as you can see right there. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. And I have some extra stuff coming back. Just want to let you guys know that I am getting back into doing PS Vita, PSP things. So if you was a long subscriber of mine, that's what I'm doing, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.